The cabin air filter in your 2014-2020 Chevy Impala is crucial for clean air inside your car. It's located behind the glove box on the passenger side. Why is it important? It traps dust, pollen, allergens, and pollutants entering through the vents. A dirty filter reduces airflow, causes unpleasant odors, and can worsen allergies. Experts recommend changing it every 12 to 15 months or 15,000 miles for optimal HVAC performance. Neglecting it can lead to reduced HVAC efficiency and even blower motor failure, costing you more money in repairs. First, open the glove box and remove all contents to make room for the replacement process. Next, unlatch or unscrew the glove box stops to lower it completely. This provides access to the filter housing behind. Locate the filter housing door, usually secured by clips or screws. Release them to open the housing. Pull out the old filter, noting its orientation for correct reinstallation. The filter typically has arrows indicating airflow direction. Insert the new filter with the arrows pointing towards the airflow direction, typically towards the cabin for proper filtration. Reassemble everything in reverse order. Close the housing, raise the glove box, and secure the stops. This replacement takes about 10 to 20 minutes and requires no special tools. Consider upgrading to a HEPA or carbon-infused filter for better air quality. Wear gloves to keep your hands clean and dispose of the old filter properly.